a comprehensive guide to importing vehicles to the United States for permanent residence via green card immigration. The relocation of permanent residents to the United States, facilitated by green card immigration, necessitates a meticulous approach to importing personal vehicles. This process demands adherence to stringent government regulations, meticulous selection of shipping services, comprehensive insurance coverage, compliance with container loading protocols, and engagement with Proficient customs clearance and vehicle registration professionals. In this comprehensive guide, we illuminate the procedural intricacies to facilitate a seamless importation process for individuals who have acquired permanent residency in the U.S. through green card immigration. Adherence to government statutes. Prior to initiating the vehicle importation process, a thorough understanding of pertinent government statutes is imperative. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, have established stringent requirements, including safety standards and emissions regulations, which necessitate compliance. Ensuring that the imported vehicle aligns with these statutory stipulations is fundamental. Selection of a reputable shipping line. The choice of a reputable shipping line assumes paramount importance in guaranteeing the secure and timely transportation of the vehicle. Research and due diligence in selecting a shipping company with a distinguished record in international vehicle transportation is recommended. Considerations such as established shipping routes, transit times, and client testimonials should inform the decision-making process. Procurement of comprehensive insurance. Mitigating the inherent risks associated with international transportation requires the procurement of comprehensive insurance coverage. Confirming the scope of coverage with the chosen shipping entity and considering supplementary insurance options is advisable to safeguard against potential damages or unforeseen events during transit. Adherence to container loading protocols. To circumvent potential fumigation complications upon arrival, opting for container loading methods devoid of wooden materials is advised. Wood-based materials are subject to rigorous regulations due to the potential harboring of pests and diseases. Alternative strapping materials, such as metal or plastic, should be employed to secure the vehicle within the container. Methodical documentation of loading process. Thorough documentation of the loading process through photographic and video evidence assumes significance in providing comprehensive documentation. This practice serves as vital evidence in potential dispute resolution scenarios or insurance claims. A meticulous record of the vehicle's condition pre-loading, captured from various angles, enhances the evidentiary value. Engagement of a Proficient customs clearance broker. Given the intricacies associated with customs clearance procedures, the services of a Proficient customs clearance broker are indispensable. A qualified broker can navigate the intricacies of the requisite paperwork, ensure adherence to statutory regulations, and facilitate a seamless customs clearance process. Selection of a competent container. Unloading service. Post-arrival in the U.S., a competent container unloading service is indispensable for the safe extraction of the vehicle. A thorough assessment of potential service providers, considering their experience in unloading vehicles from shipping containers and adherence to safety and regulatory standards, is imperative. Procurement of tag agent services for title and tags registration. Optimizing the title and tags registration process necessitates the engagement of a Proficient tag agent. This professional can provide guidance through the intricacies of paperwork and ensure the vehicle's registration aligns with the regulatory framework of the respective state. In conclusion, as you embark on the journey of importing your vehicle to the United States as a permanent resident through green card immigration, consider opting for a door-to-door service. While this premium service may entail higher costs, the reduction in stress, mitigated risks, and time-saving convenience make it a valuable investment. Choosing door-to-door service ensures a seamless transition for your vehicle from its origin to its destination, providing peace of mind throughout the entire process. We suggest 3wstolfat.com for a seamless experience. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.